This is Little Red Riding Hood. Come from the Cowboy Downhill 2016. Big Bad Wolf's over there. And the motto is, go fast and be funny.
Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf. They have been tortoise in the hair. They have been riding grooms before. There are two of the biggest personalities in pro rodeo. How about it for the brothers Crawley?
The downhill is one of the pinnacles of enjoyment for cowboys at this time of year, and most events of the year. This is one of the best times that we all get to gather and enjoy ourselves in one big group. Nevertheless, Jake, I have yet to see you actually finish the race. Did you wipe out today? How was the mountain treating you in particular?
Oh yeah, I wiped out. Been cold all day. Being cool, it's a hard job. Somebody's got to do it.
Tell me something I don't know.